Millions of people are soaking okra overnight and drinking the water every morning. So what does nutrition research actually say about it? Okra water has been trending across social media for months now, but instead of just following the trend, let us look at what the actual nutritional science says about this vegetable and what its key compounds may do inside your body. Here are 4 research-backed reasons why okra water has researchers and nutritionists paying attention. Stay till number 2. That one has the most interesting science behind it. Benefit number 1, and this is the one most people are talking about. Okra contains a type of soluble fiber called mucilage. Research suggests that this fiber may help slow down the absorption of sugar in the digestive tract, which is associated with more stable blood sugar levels after meals. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences explored okra's potential role in blood sugar management. It is important to note, this does not replace any medical treatment, but as part of a balanced diet, okra is a genuinely fiber-rich vegetable that nutritionists widely recommend. Benefit number 2. This is the one nutritionists find most interesting about okra. The same mucilage fiber in okra has another well-studied property. Soluble fiber is known to bind to bile acids in the digestive tract. Bile acids are made from cholesterol, and when fiber carries them out of the body, the liver uses more cholesterol to make new bile acids. Over time, this process is associated with lower LDL cholesterol levels in research on high-fiber diets. This is not specific only to okra. It is a well-established property of soluble fiber found in many vegetables. Okra just happens to be particularly rich in it. Benefit number 3. And if digestion is something you think about, this one is for you. Okra is a good source of both soluble and insoluble dietary fiber. Soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic. It feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and supports regular bowel movements. Drinking okra water in the morning on an empty stomach means this fiber reaches your digestive system before anything else, giving your gut bacteria an early feed. Registered dietitians consistently include okra in lists of gut-friendly vegetables for this reason. It is not a treatment for any digestive condition, but as a daily fiber source, it is a solid, well-supported choice. Benefit number 4. And this one is about what okra actually contains nutritionally. Okra is a genuinely nutrient-dense vegetable. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, magnesium, and antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. Vitamin C supports immune function and is involved in collagen synthesis. Folate is important for cell repair. The antioxidants in okra help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules associated with cellular stress. When you soak okra overnight, some of these water-soluble nutrients and compounds transfer into the water. Drinking it in the morning is simply an easy way to add a nutritious, low-calorie vegetable to your daily routine. To make okra water, wash 3 to 4 fresh okra pods, cut off the tips, slit them slightly, place in a glass of water, and leave overnight at room temperature. In the morning, remove the okra and drink the water on an empty stomach. Simple, low cost, and easy to add to any morning routine.